It turns out PSVR 2 does work on PC if you buy this $350 cable. Well, cables don't get much more expensive. I remember buying some expensive optical cables in the past, Corning, to run Thunderbolt over really long distances. Mm-hmm. I think I might have spent more than $350 actually in those days.
Well, people think that this is like the best spec-wise VR headset. So it has to work on PC, right? Well,
they want it to.
With the cable, it kind of does.
As chronicled over on Reset Era, several PSVR 2 users have reportedly found a workaround to get the new-gen PS5 headset working on PC. According to various users, obtaining a virtual link port or a similar adapter allows the PSVR 2 to be used as a virtual monitor for your PC. Here we see an adapter, which appears to sort of work like a splitter, kind of. And what is that? An HDMI port and it does look like a display port and then a USB cable on the other side. Let's see here. PSVR 2 is known to work in cinema mode on NVIDIA GPUs with virtual link ports, AMD GPUs with VR and USB-C ports, or with BizLink adapters. To test if your GPU with USB-C supports PSVR 2, plug it in and see. So how much do we have to pay for one of these little units, Will?
$350, right?
That adapter is $350? Sheesh. No, this doesn't mean PSVR 2 has full functionality. Yeah, that was in the headline of $350 on a PC. The PSVR 2's virtual display works just fine with a PC adapter, as does the 3D tracking, as the Twitter user explains just below. But it's going to take a hell of a lot more to get the PSVR 2 working with a PC, just as it would with a PS5. So the experience is not the same. Display works, 3D tracking works. It does not work properly as a monitor. Nothing beyond that. Needs a Steam VR driver, among many other things. I don't think I'm going to recommend this workaround at the moment.
Yeah, it's expensive and you got to do a lot of stuff.
The issue is that Virtual Link isn't supported on RTX 30 and 40 series cards. And last I heard, the alternative adapters are extremely expensive, $350 from what I can find. Economies of scale could bring that price down in the future. That's some wishful thinking. I wonder if Sony would ever put something out, an official adapter, which would work completely, if they would care to interact with Microsoft in such a way, because obviously these people are using Windows at the end of the day.
Yeah, curious.
And they there's a little beef going on right now, Activision stuff and so on. I don't know. I saw this story.